Summertime is here, and it is time to get the kiddos ready for the season. Lifestyle journalist Amy Goodman is back with some great items. Hey, Amy, which one do you want to start with first?
Yeah, we're going to start with The Week Junior, which is a weekly news magazine for kids. It is jam-packed with news about the globe, about local news, recipes, puzzles, games, so much fun packed into this incredible magazine that's great for kids about ages 8 to 14. So we want to have them continuing their love of learning through summer. So I love this. By the way, the first 6 issues, if you are a new subscriber, are free. And I wanted to also bring something along for our teenagers. This is called Strike Club. And this was developed by 4 moms who found a gap in the skincare market when it came to really good skincare for their sons. I think this is also great for teenage girls because they have facial wash, facial moisturizer, all over body wash, and all of this is targeted to help with acne-prone skin. So next up, I know you have before you these cute, really, really adorable teethers and pacifier clips, and this is from Lulu Lollipop. They're a Vancouver company run by women, and summer-themed teethers that are so sweet, from ice cream cones to avocados to strawberries and lemons, and they're all made, of course, with super safe silicone, and in many cases that is sustainable silicone. But I just love the designs. They start at $14, and not to miss is just came out this brand new line of dinnerware that they have for like the toddlers, like the next step. So plates and bowls and really cute silverware for the kiddos, and it's called Born to be Wild. So I think you have a little bunny rabbit maybe, and I have the rhino. And on the bottom of that bowl, Amber, is a suction cup so that the kiddos can suction, or we can suction it for the kiddos onto the table, and hopefully most of the food goes into their mouth as opposed to on themselves. Yeah. Now for your little one and beyond, for those kids who sleep really, really hot at night, and that's like my entire family, Casper has a new line of cooling collection mattresses. So what we're going to take a look at is the Wave Hybrid Snow Mattress. So what this means is when you touch the mattress, it's really, really cool. And this is due to heat delete bands. And when they climb in, they're going to remain cool. And that's because of a quick cool cover. Lastly, it's going to wick the heat away from the body as they're sleeping with the breathable airscape. This is all like high-tech words to just mean they're going to have a really nice, cool sleep at night. And Casper, of course, is known as bed in the box. So it's going to be delivered right to your door, contactless, really easy.
Amy, thank you so much. You always bring the best items to the table. We appreciate it.
You bet. So much fun. Happy summer.